Meaning of gypsy.
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 Gypsy. The word gypsy refers to a member of a nomadic people who originated in northern India but are now spread throughout the world. The term is often used to describe Romani people, who are known for their unique cultural traditions and lifestyle. Historically, gypsies have faced discrimination and persecution due to their perceived outsider status and unconventional way of life. While some people embrace the term gypsy and use it to celebrate their cultural identity, others view it as a derogatory stereotype that reinforces negative stereotypes and marginalization.